Okay, let's make our next statement about if statements, if, elif, and else. And since you all are experts, I've jumped ahead, I've put my mark down, I've turned on my libraries I want, and we're ready to go. The first thing we need to do is think about Boolean. So now you're used to setting some number equal to a value. So say some number equals 1. But what you can do, that's how I just say it there. Somehow what you can do is you can also test to see how I put that double equal sign? That means test to see if it equals 1 and it returns true. So saying, wow, that equals 1. But now I'll say some number equal to, no, false. So that's Boolean, true, false. We're testing if it's true. And what we can do now is we can then make if statements. So say you want to say some number equals 1. So if that is true, it will do something. So print, wow, it is 1. Right? And then, wow, it is 1 because some number equals 1. I'm going to make it even more explicit. I will set this right in my cell. Put it in there. It equals 1. I'll say make it 2. Nothing happens. But what can we do to test if it's 2? We can add an else if, or in Python just elif. Test something else. So elif some number equals 2. Now we can do something. Print. I'm going to use my format statement here. Wow, some number equals, put my squiggly dot format some number, and we can run it again. Cool. Some number equals 2. So we can do it. But now what happens if I make it 222? Nothing happens again. The final part is you can do an else statement. Else. And what this does is this just encompasses everything else. Wow. I'm going to say not 1 or 2. Something else. And there it goes. So right here you can do rerun it if it's equal to 1. Wow, it is 1. 2. Right, goes with the else if or elif. And if you make it something else, it just goes right into the else. So you can see how it works. Now let's see if we can do a little bit with for loops and if statements. Remember your linspace? So your np.linspace 0 to 10. This is going to give us 50 numbers spaced out from 0 to 10. Right, so I'm going to set this equal to some number list. Right, or I'm going to call it some number array. Now we can do a for loop. So say for number in some number array. I'm going to print number, right? Should be experts at that. Man, it goes through and prints each of them. But imagine if I only wanted to print the ones between 5 and 6. So you can now put an if statement here. You can say if number is greater than 5 and number is less than 6, then print my number. Remember, I had to add that colon, I had to indent. We're going to go through all this stuff in class. This is just to give you a brief intro. Well, and just prints the ones between 5 and 6. All right, so we can go and adjust this. Imagine now, in linspace, I want to make it 100 numbers. So I should get twice as many there. There you go. And I could do it between 5.5 and 6, and it gives me fewer numbers. So you can see how an if statement lets you choose things, elif lets you choose something else, and else gives you a whole, gives you everything else. Good luck and see you at class.